Mr. Saurabh Vatsa, Managing Director, Nissan Motor India.
For the first 5,000 bookings, the launch program that I said continues. That means special introductory prices. And by the way, I'm coming to that. With zero service for 5 years. Nissan Gravite is inspired by the dreams and aspirations of 1.4 billion Indians. Made in India, inspired by Indians.
Thank you all for coming.